I'm Mai Salazar. Here are the latest stories. The Department of Health or DOH and the Department of Trade and Industry or DTI continue to probe the overpricing of investigational drugs for COVID-19 to include antiviral drug Remdesivir. According to the DOH, they have received 50 complaints because of the jacked up prices. To date, the DOH and the DTI are looking into 5 suppliers, most of whom are importing generic Remdesivir from India. The suggested retail price for a 100 milligram vial of Remdesivir is 1,500 pesos to 8,200 pesos. The DOH reported that some suppliers sell a 100 milligram vial for up to 30,000 pesos. Meantime, a symbolic vaccination for essential workers under the A4 vaccination priority group is set to be conducted on June 7, according to vaccine czar Carlito Galvez Jr. Jillian Geronimo has the details.
Vaccine czar Secretary Carlito Galvez Jr. said a symbolic vaccination for individuals part of the A4 vaccine priority group is set to happen on Monday, June 7. Galvez said the event will be attended by high officials including cabinet secretaries. According to the vaccine czar, local government units or LGUs will also hold simultaneous vaccinations. However, despite the conduct of symbolic vaccine rollout for essential workers, Galvez feared that the actual rollout will begin once the main bulk of COVID-19 vaccine supplies from the COVAX facility arrives in the Philippines. Meanwhile, he disclosed that the IATF has agreed to set 2 classifications for A4 group based on age, which are 40 and up and 39 and below. LGUs may opt to prioritize those 40 and above in the vaccination, according to Galvez, since they take maintenance medicines and are more vulnerable to COVID-19. For Golden Nation Network, this is Jillian Geronimo.
For further developments, testing czar Secretary Vince Dizon assured that AstraZeneca COVID-19 vaccine set to expire on June 30 will all be administered to individuals by next week. According to Dizon, 85% of the 1.5 million AstraZeneca vaccine doses had been administered as of Tuesday, June 1. On this note, Dizon said the government can inoculate as many individuals as possible at a fast pace. Meanwhile, over 500,000 doses set to expire in July will be used as second dose. We are your voice for change. We will keep on bringing updates and the latest stories. I'm Mai Salazar. Watch these stories on News Force.
Here are today's headlines. Tropical storm Dante leaves 3 dead, 2 injured. Metropolitan Manila Development Authority ensures readiness of flood pumping stations amid rainy season. Vice President Leni Robredo distributes more medical supplies in various areas in the country. House of Representatives approves Bayanihan 3 on final reading. Department of Tourism resumes 50% COVID-19 test subsidy for eligible tourists. Tanzanian Muslims push for start of COVID-19 vaccination before pilgrimage of Hajj. Fair and balanced news. Comprehensive reports that will take you to the heart of the action. This is News Force.